Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's scroll down and find Special App Access and find Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend that I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from a specific website, for example. Then I have to find Chrome in the list, tap on it, and tap on Allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Of course, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so and especially, for example, websites, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that. And of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher next to it. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.